Weather girl, where is the snow? Alright. Y'all, it's sprinkling over here on the west side. You know, it's all it's all up north. Just hanging around. No blue down here. It's green, so we got some rain, and I'm just sitting out here keeping an eye on the sky. Yeah, I'm just waiting for the snow. It's kind of chilly, you know. It feels like, you know, about 30. It's alright. Just hanging out. Yeah. Oh, no, I thought I saw a snow flurry, but that was just rain. It's okay. It's okay. So, you know, we're just hanging out here with your local Texas weather girl. Woo! Alright, y'all. You know, yeah, we'll keep an eye out. No. Still no snow. No. Oh, no, that was a bird. Whoops. I'll see you later. Have a blessed day.